Hello everyone, this is Abhijit, and I know I have not uploaded any video since last 6 or 7 months. So today we will unbox this MI Band 3 which I have over here. So this is the new one and this is the last one. This is the MI Band HRX edition which I had bought last year. This is the new Mi Band and it has just launched in India, and the pricing over here, let me show you. The pricing is 21.99, but it is available on Amazon and MI store for 2000 rupees. So yes, the price has bumped up, but the features are new, and this one was the HRX edition, which let me show you, which did not have the heart rate sensor over here, and it costed me around 1300 rupees at the time of launch. So let me just put it over here, and this was the third party band which I had with this. And let me just open this seal. Now here we can see the capsule itself. Here is a pull tab. Let me pull it. Let's keep this thing aside. Here is the band, and what else we get in the box. Here we have the charger for this, and we also have the user manual and stuff, which I don't think we need to read. Let me keep that aside time being. And here is the capsule itself, so let me just pull it out. Okay, so again let me keep it aside. Here is the band with the styrofoam in it. So this here is the MI Band 3. I will remove the sticker in a moment. Here is the back of MI Band 3, which has a heart rate sensor in it, and that's going to be my thumbnail of the video. Here is the band. So let's compare it with the other one. Here we have the Mi Band 3, here we have the MI Band HRX edition. So from seeing this both, we can see that the new one is a little bit thicker, but the weight is absolutely the same, and it only had one thing to see. And even though it's on, I assume that you cannot see anything because it has the worst display ever. You can see a little bit right now. So I know this was a very big problem. Let me just turn off the lighting and show you. You know, the brightness was very low on this watch. I mean, I cannot read it in a little bit of sunlight. So I hope that the issue is fixed with this watch. And let me just peel off the cover, and here is the cover. It looks very curvy and nice, and instead of that textured button on here, they have gone with a curved pad. I don't know why, but this felt very good, and it was very nice and small watch. So here we can see the charger once again. We can also see the gold pins which helped to charge the watch. You can also see the gold pins on the bottom of this, so it would just slip in the cradle right like this, and it would charge. So let's now see the band. So the band is same, the silicone material from the last year, which is very comfortable and very smooth and very nice feeling. And this is the third party band which I have from the MI band HRX edition, because original band was very poor quality one, and that degraded almost in 3 to 4 months. So I got this for around 400 rupees on Amazon, and this is my second replacement band. So I can say that replacement bands are also not very good. So here is the watch. I have charged it for a few minutes, so I can just show you the pairing process. So here is my phone. Let me turn down the brightness. So here is my phone. So I'm going to pair it with this watch. Okay, first of all, you need to go to the Play Store and download the Mi Fit app. I have already downloaded because I have the old watch, so I can just open it. And here the Mi Fit app opens. So it wants to allow to connect or turn on Bluetooth. So I will allow it to turn on the Bluetooth, and here it is trying to sync with my old watch. But let me add a device, and let me click on the existing device. Following data, yes. Let me unpair the old device first. So it is unpairing. It has been unpaired. Let's pair it with the new device. Okay, searching for the band. Let me just here is the band. It's saying to, now it is saying me tap the band to pair. So let's see. Yes, there is an icon. Tap the button. Let me just tap the button, and now it's paired successfully. Here is the loading screen that is going on, and let's see. Paired. So it is telling me to charge the band. Okay, I will charge it. Swipe, switch, go back, long press to confirm, swipe to unlock, how to wear. Okay, I got it. And here is the Mi Band 3, not charged after pairing. So let me charge it. So here we can see that MI band is getting updated, and initially if you buy it now, then you will get an update. You can see here that the update is going on. So let it update, then I will give you a brief overview of what is there in this watch. So just let me give a brief overview. You can unlock the screen, you can see the incoming calls, and so this is the Mi Band 3 for now, and I will sign off from for now, and I will create a new video about the full review of this watch. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and please support the channel by subscribing to it. So that's it for now guys. Peace, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye.